Alright, greetings all. This is Josh with Night for Today, coming to you from my garage on a beautiful Saturday morning where I am getting the lawnmower ready for spring. So some of you guys may have trouble getting these blades off if you sharpen them yourselves, so I want to give you a few tips and tricks to get them off. Number one, you can see right here I have a pair of vice grips that's attached to the flywheel on the back, and that keeps it from spinning and makes sure I can get these on and off pretty good. There's got to be a better way to do that, so if you have a better way, let me know. But the big trick I wanted to give you to getting these things off every single year, when you go to sharpen them in the spring, the biggest trick is how you put them on. And by that, I mean using one of these things right here. So this is a grease gun, and I'm gonna pick it up. So if you can see the end of the grease gun here, I'm gonna put it right here into this hole, give it one squeeze. Oh, and my grease came off. Maybe I have to clean that out and give it a better squeeze. Of course, I'm trying to do this on camera, so it doesn't work right. But a single squeeze of grease right in that middle of the hole with the grease gun will do one very important thing, and that is keep the rust off your bolt when you go to take it off next spring. So you can see I have done this every single year. I've had this lawnmower for I think 7 years now. And there's not a bit of grease on that. Comes out pretty well. So that's my tip to getting these things off every year, is make sure when you're putting them on you add that dab of grease. So y'all have a good one.